Hey traders, just going to do a quick recap on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. What we're looking at right now, the daily chart of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and we're looking at sort of since back November of '08 at this period of time. And what I want to do is I want to try and focus on what the market's doing currently as we speak, and what could we see happening looking forward. So what we're looking at right now, we're looking at sort of this V shape through here, and we all know that the market's had a nice little bounce right up to the 8,500 mark in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Now this is the daily chart once again. Now if I just squeeze my chart up just a little bit more, okay, so there we go. And what I want to do is I want to show you some really major key points that we're looking at here. Okay, notice my proprietary moving averages I got, which I use in my trading room every day. But for now, let me show you this here. Look at this resistance here, and also resistance here. There's three major points of resistance. But also look what we have over here as well. We have the moving average, the proprietary moving average we use in the trading room. That's also coming into play. And now look at this. If I squeeze my chart up heaps more, look at that longer term moving average. It's resistance there, support there. It's definitely a trend changing moving average on the daily chart. So I've always got my eye on that. Right now it's below the moving average. So we've still got to stay in the bear camp overall. If you look at the weekly chart also says we should be staying in the bear camp as well. So right now, what we're looking at the nice run down through here, a nice big possible V bottom through here. We don't know that for sure, but possible V bottom. And what we're looking at right now is this 9,000 mark. If we do get a bit of a pop to the upside, which if we see around about the 8,500 mark, is a key area of resistance where we are right now. Let me open up the chart here. Okay, so there we go there. We can see the nice support through there. Market broke down, broke back up, and now found a lot of resistance through here. It's actually formed a double top through there, and now starting to break down. So, but the key thing we're looking at here is we've got a bunch of moving averages coming into play here, and even if you do get a bit of a drop down, I wouldn't say the downside is done yet. But if we do get some upside, it's going to be a load of resistance. Now this is the Dow Jones Industrial Average daily chart, and remember, this long-term moving average was a key level, was an absolute key level when the market turned. If I just squeeze my chart up once again, you can clearly see that when the market bounced here, didn't break through. When the market broke through here, this is the first time, went sideways, broke down. When it actually physically broke down all the way down through here, that was the first indication the market was coming down with this longer-term moving average through here. The market broke down, came back up, dead resistance right on it, nice double top, and then wham, wham, and all the way we went to the downside. Market ran back up now to the 8,500 mark where we are right now, and we're seeing a load of resistance. So I would say even if we do get a bit of a break above the 8,500 mark, we've got the moving average and also there's loads and loads of resistance through here, this 9,000 mark. If we do start to get above that and start to run higher, then all going well with other markets I'm about to speak to, I'm going to show you in the next videos, with like the S&P, the Nasdaq, the Dow, and also the Australian market. If they all start breaking above that major proprietary moving average, then I say that we're starting to now turn bearish into a nice bullish market. So, but we need all the other markets to break above too. So the whole sentiment is bullish. Therefore, we've got a lot more buying happening and then selling. So, and this moving average, a lot of people look at. So this is the end of the video now. Once again, the Dow Jones Industrial Average just really going overall sideways through here. Nice little sideways channel. Just sort of give a bit of an update. So when the markets do open up on Tuesday, Monday was Memorial Day, and that was a public holiday in the States. So if it does start to break up, and I do expect some more upside out of the market this week, but if we do break up, just be careful of the 9,000 mark on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Okay, all right, thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next update.